Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey, what's up my friend? We are from Group 1, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Engineering Department, Bandung State of Polytechnic. And now we are going to talk about our project. And the title of our project is
Monitoring and Automatic Watering based on Microcontroller Arduino using soil moisture sensor. The purpose of our project is make a simple microcontroller for automatic watering using soil moisture sensor.
And previously, we will thank to Mr. Arman as our tour fighter and our classmate. And before we start, I'd like to introduce our friends. This is
Ayudya Maulidiani R
and
Aji Muhariansyah.
and my name is Mufthi Khaidir. And happy watching, guys. Thank you.
Arduino Uno as a microcontroller, YL69 sensor as a soil moisture sensor, then 3 light LED as indicator, then resistor as a resistance adder for LED, then the jumper cable as a connector between the components, then the USB cable to connect the Arduino Uno to the power supply, then LCD as a display, then as a water pump for pumping water if the soil moisture drops.
Buzzer is an electronic component that can convert electrical signal into sound vibration and is used as an indicator in wet condition. And then I2C is a standard serial bidirectional communication using two channels designed specifically for sending and receiving data, and a module for LCD. And the next is relay module. Relay module to control current and the voltage distributor. And the last is print circuit board or PCB as a buffer component to be wiring.
First, we connect ground on the PCB to create line Arduino in a way parallel. The second, we connect Arduino 5V on PCB to create line by way parallels. Then, we put soil moisture sensor by connecting on PCC on the line 5V on 5V PCB. Inline ground on ground PCB and connect to the pin A0 in Arduino. Then we put buzzer. For positive port, we connect the digital pin 10 in Arduino, and for the negative port, we connect the ground in PCB. Then we put the LCD by using I2C. We connect to the I2C PCC in 5V PCB. Connect ground I2C on ground the PCB. Connect to the I2C SDA analog pin A4. A2C SGL. Connect to the analog pin A5. Then we put 3 resistors in PCB. After that, we put red LED by connecting the positive port on digital pin 2 and put negative on resistor. Then put yellow LED by connecting the positive port on digital pin 3 and put negative on resistor. And put green LED by connecting the digital pin for positive and negative put on resistor. Then we put relay module. Connect a water pump in a way to connect the PCC on 5V PCB. Then ground on ground the PCB. Then connect the I-in on digital pin 8.
In this project, we apply a moisture sensor for monitoring and controlling the moisture in the soil, which we have designed in such a way that we understand the performance of humidity sensor. In this project, show moisture sensor application to set the flame or outage the pump. Of this project, we divided into 3 conditions, namely dry condition, humid condition, and wet condition. Moisture sensor measurement result displayed on the LCD. The soil moisture to dry, the red LED lights turn on, and the pump will work to drain the water from the water reservoir into the pot until the soil moisture the pot does not dry up again and the pump will stop. If the soil moisture in humid condition, the yellow LED light turn on and pump will not work. And if the soil moisture in wet condition, then the green LED light turn on, the buzzer will turn on and the pump will not work.
Okay guys, maybe it's the end of our video project.
And we hope it's useful for all of you.
And if you want to see our presentation, you can see on our slide there here. And thank you.
For watching.
Please like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.